Here is how AI can make better ultrasound images. But first, how does ultrasound work? Ultrasound was modeled after sonar, which uses sound waves to determine what was around a ship. Similarly, ultrasound sends sound waves through a person's tissues to see what is inside. If we take a closer look, each ultrasound probe has a series of tiny sensors on them. Each of these sensors is like its own individual camera, which is working together to make one image that gives the doctor or the researcher a better idea of what is going on. Well, how does an ultrasound sensor create an image? Well, first, each sensor shoots out a series of sound waves. The sound wave then hits something and is reflected back to that sensor. Then each of the sensors take its own picture, with the first one looking kind of like that, the next one looking kind of a little bit different, and then so on and so on. The ultrasound machine then decides to overlap all of these pictures to create a picture that kind of looks like that, which is how the round surface shown in the previous picture would be depicted. But sometimes these machines mess up. They will take a perfectly good picture like that and end up making an image that looks like that, or even worse, like that. These dark regions are called dark region artifacts, or DRAs for short, and they are formed around white cysts with a darker background. So how can a machine help? Well, we can treat the machine like a student and teach it. We can teach it what is good data and what is bad data, and that when it encounters good data, it should keep it, while when it encounters bad data, it should throw it away and toss it. Then give it a test, except this time, instead of a student who is panicking about finishing his exam on time, it's a robot. Now with the explanation finished, I bet all of you are wondering, did it work? And the answer to that will, fortunately, be yes, it did. It worked very well. The AI was able to successfully remove the dark region artifacts and turn a picture that looked like this into this. And that, my friends, is the power of AI. This short video was an adaptation of my research during my time on Vanderbilt's campus as a part of the School of Science and Math at Vanderbilt. While these results are not published yet, I have left the abstract of a paper that I am planning to publish in the description below. Thank you for checking it out. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.